You're not all bluesed out yet? No? Okay, I promised you some more blues phrasing. Here's what we're going to do. Some of the best blues, jazz, gospel, and even rock and roll singers do what we call and response. Basically, what that means is the singer spontaneously comes up with phrases and the public sings them back. So, obviously the phrases have to sound good, but it's something you have to practice. You have to get used to it. And the best way to practice is to practice with someone. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to sing my phrase and you're going to respond. Here we go. Oh yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. Well, okay. No, no, no. No, no, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. You win. You win. All right. You did it. So, this is something that you should have a little bit of fun with. You got to practice. It'll take some time, but just keep watching the video and do it until your heart's content. Thank you for watching How to Sing the Blues, and I hope you had a good time. Bye.